How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Merly on Time. I'm really excited to be doing this quick unboxing for you today because it's the first time for the Merly on Time channel that a watch from a micro brand company has been sent to the channel for me to review. It's in this box. It's from Whitby Watch Company. I live in Ontario, Canada. Whitby is a city in Ontario, Canada that is a few hours from me. I saw them on Instagram or Facebook. Can't remember really where I saw them first, but followed them on Instagram, sent them a message, asked them if they would send me a watch. And let's be honest, they're doing me a favor because I only have like 180 subscribers at the time of filming this. Might be up to close to 200 maybe by the time this actually drops. I'm pre-recording this, but you know, they're doing me a favor for the channel. They're not getting a lot of exposure because of me, but so I just want to say thank you to the guys at Whitby Watch Company for sending this to me. So excited. It's the first time a micro brand has been sent to the channel for review. So with that, let's flip the camera and take a look at this one, shall we? Okay, guys, so you can see this is quite a sizable box, and the guys at Whitby Watch Company, maybe you saw the fact that I was wearing a Montreal Canadiens hat. Being that you live close to Toronto, I'm sure that you're still in mourning over that Game 7 loss. Anyway, sorry guys, just had to mention that. All right, wow. Let's just pop. It's got quite the case that this thing comes in. Let's see if I can back this up. And here we go. Oh, look at this. My goodness. Oh, yes. Very cool. Okay. So, yeah, let me turn the camera back around. You can see this massive Whitby Watch Company box. That's pretty cool, but I got something else in the box. So let me turn the camera around and I'll show you that too. All right, so you can see that I've got a Whitby Watch Company shirt on, which was sent as well. So thanks, guys. Oh, squeaky chair. Better put the hat back on. Go Habs. Whitby Watch Company shirt came in the package as well, and so thank you very much for that, guys. So let's crack open this box and see what's inside it. So you can see it came in this nice carrying case. I don't know if the watch that's in there is the Nanic 904, or if that's just the company that made the case. Whitby Watch Company printed on the box here. It's just a big hard plastic box. Nice handle on it. Yeah, it's very cool. Let's see how we get this thing open. Okay. All right, here we come for the big reveal. I don't know what's inside this. I don't know what they sent me. I have no idea. All I'm doing now is my first impressions of the watch. The packaging is obviously very, very cool. I don't know. Ooh. Boy, that's nice. I don't know the cost of this watch, but I will in the full review of it. Kind of let you know that. Let's just see. Whitby Watch Company. So let's see what this says. One of the most renowned spies in modern history, the man called Intrepid based his operations on the shores of Lake Ontario in Whitby at the infamous Camp X. Camp X symbolizes both the elite achievements as well as the nameless sacrifices pledged by Canadians to the World War II effort. The Whitby Watch Company honors the man called Intrepid with its first limited edition luxury timepiece. Okay, cool. Very cool. All right, so the Intrepid, and for your eyes only. There's a little tag here that says for your eyes only. Okay, I will check that out later. Looks like the watch comes with a silicone band. Yeah, rubber band, silicone band, nice Whitby branding on the buckle there. And it looks like it has had some links removed. This is a loaner. It's been around. And you get your Whitby Watch Care and Use card. Very cool. And just the Whitney Watch Company business card. Let's see what's back here. It's got a medallion in there. That's really cool. And maybe that's a silver medallion to go along with the story of the watch. Very neat. And here we go. So this one still has some plastic and whatnot on it. It is hefty. It is really, there is some substantial weight to this piece. And just peel this sticker off here. All right. And I don't know if we can save that or not. There we go. I'm going to put it back on the watch when we're done with it. It is going to be an automatic watch, I'm sure. So let me just give it a shake here, get the thing going. And there it goes. First impressions, this is beautiful. Love the blue dial. You can see the Whitby Watch Company branding at the 12 o'clock. Looks like it's printed on. Obviously, they've got all of the indexes there applied. This is definitely a dive watch. Yeah, this is, let's see what this clasp is all about here. Okay, so we've got a nice milled clasp, and what do we have here? Oh, a diver's extension, very cool. So you just push that. And so it's got a nice diver extension on it as well. Awesome. So yeah, this is it, guys. I'm going to be doing some more research into this particular watch. It's got some really nice finishing on it. The bracelet is really nice. Let's see here. It looks like it's just a push pin. Are they screws? It looks like it's just a push pin. Yeah, just a push pin to hold the bracelet together. But the bracelet's really nice and solid. The bezel, not sure if that's feels like maybe just an aluminum bezel insert, or I'm not sure if it's ceramic, but anyway, here it is. I'll put it on wrist. This is sharp. Boy, look at that. Really like that. Action on the bezel. It's 120 click bezel, and the action is really nice on it. A little bit of wiggle there. But yeah, very nice. Okay, let me throw this on my wrist, and I'll see what this For Your Eyes Only sticker is all about. And then I'll be dropping a full review of this on the channel this coming weekend, usually Sunday night, early Monday morning. Stay tuned for that. So here's the wrist shot. And there it is on my 7.5-inch wrist. I'm going to have to remove another link if I want to wear this for a bit. And you can, there's still plastic on that bracelet, and so I'm, they might not want me to be, kind of tearing the plastic off and whatnot. So this is beautiful. Absolutely love it. First impressions, really nice, really nice. Thank you again to the guys at Whitby Watch Company for sending this in. Full review will be dropping on Monday. So as always, guys, whenever you leave your house, make sure you have a great looking piece to wear on your wrist, and this sure is. And make sure that wherever you're going, you get there on time. Don't forget, if you haven't, to subscribe to the channel. And God bless you. Thank you for checking it out. Whitby Watch Company. Thanks again.